What do you mean you don't want to be alone anymore?
My parents, they're never here. They're always traveling for fun.
Are you home alone a lot?
Yeah, they come home like twice a month.
Whoa. So, who do you live here with?
My grandma and older sister, but she's in college. I just didn't want to come home to another empty house today.
You could have just said that. I would have come over anyway.
You're right, sorry.
You can always invite me over. I'll come.
I'll keep that in mind. I just didn't know if I'd be able to get a girl to be my friend. Especially not a really pretty one.
Thank you. So, since you clearly don't need help with homework, do you want to play video games?
Oh my gosh, yes, let's go.